Stop by and take a look at the 2016 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, power sunroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.